Ka kertong Jong ka Seng NPP na ka Shillong Lok Sabha seat pat ka Baderu ka Menteri Cabinet ka kong Amprin Lingdo kalakentat ya ka Jingiateh jingmut ba ka Jingialap election kan Pynpra ka Jingiateh lok jongki ka kong Amprin ka laong ba ka Seng NPP ka yaishanya bat ya trailang bat ki parlok jongka bat kamlong ka baya ha ba ka riti sensyar pat ba na ka bentaki arseng banyak kawang keti po jongki. Kalau orang ba what happening ka jing syak kentho ka Seng NPP kan nang jam syakmat bu menteri rang ba uya kendo ya baro ki Seng Sain Pyrthei bat pandon ka jing trelang kat kum ka jing penpau jongka bakin saya poi lang ha ka jo ka rensan ben trelang na ka benta ka jing pha ba jing mentoy jong ki pat ba hadin jong ka jing thap vote Lok Sabha
distances coalition partners and that relationships get severed and that there is this feeling of which doesn't get resolved because of the very engagement of elections. I think that this is something which is typical in a democracy.
Thank you so much.
There will always be these reservations that political parties have about each other prior to an election. But the NPP has always showed the way. You must have seen the backlash that we faced in the 2023 election was very, very painful and very much below the belt.